So as you can see, the bike is very dirty. The problem is actually I did not clean it from day one, from the day I got the bike. And also yesterday I went for a long ride. I know I did not upload that video yet. I will be doing that soon. I'm uploading this video first because this is easier to edit. And that is like a long ride, so I thought I'll do it later, like properly. So just hang on for that video. Meanwhile, you can watch this video where I'll be getting the ceramic coating done today, and it's really high time now. I need to get the ceramic coating done because already there are like little bit of minor scratches, you know, hairline scratches, which I don't want. It's a nice black color, so let's go and get this done soon. Alright guys, we are going and getting the bike coated with ceramic coating. This is Suju's bike. He's already got the ceramic coating done. He just took the Tiger for a spin. As soon as he comes, we're gonna leave. There he comes. There's my beautiful bike, man. Look at it. Whoa. Tipo. So the place where we are going to get the ceramic coating done is around 20-23 kilometers from my house. Usually they keep the bike for a day or two, but this guy has been generous and he told me that he's gonna get the coating done on priority basis, and he said he'll give me the bike on the same day. Red. Now we'll have to stop for at least 130 seconds. Yeah, one more thing is there's another surprise for you guys. Actually, if you've seen my previous vlog, I told you that Sujan's brother Rohit, who rides the 600i, he is gonna sell it soon, and he's gonna get a new bike. You'll have to wait and see. We're gonna do the unboxing and all that soon. In another 3 days you'll see the bike, so just hang on. And man, it's a lovely bike. It's a bloody lovely bike, one of my favorites. Only thing is it's not really practical for me, so I didn't get it. I'm sorry guys, in the other video I installed the horn, but I forgot to show you the horn. So this is how it sounds. It is really loud actually. I know it is definitely not loud in the video, and it sounds so funny. It sounds like a duck. But in reality it's really nice. But anyways, once again, if you want to hear it, that's how it sounds. And you can see people are actually noticing it and they're moving, they're giving way. पहले तो वो Honda Activa का horn के साथ no one gave way. Hello bro. Good. Finally, after a long time.
Sorry?
Finally, after a long time, it happened.
I was coming to your place that day.
Yeah, I know. You told me, yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm here at, I'm sorry for this noise, they're actually clearing the dark horse. Yeah, that's what I named my bike. The thing is, I'm gonna get the ceramic coating done now because it is very important guys. Firstly, it is a black color, right? So I've been able to see a little bit of scratches on it. So like I always say, the Tiger looks best when it's dirty like this. Just check it out. Now it looks much better. I mean, I did not see the bike like this since the time I got it, because all the time when I took it out, it was always raining, and at least now it looks fine. This is the first time I'm looking at it like this, so clean. Okay, we just cleaned the bike and we finished the foam wash and all that. Now they're gonna apply the ceramic coat on it. Adena ceramic. ఏంటది? Rubbing polish. Okay, first they're gonna apply the rubbing polish on it. The bike is already shining in its stock paint. Now you can imagine how it's gonna look after the whole polish is done. By the way, guys, he is the owner here, Anthony, right? Yeah. And he's also my subscriber. You watch him? Yeah. So here is Anthony. He owns this place called
Gorgeous Car Detailers.
Gorgeous Car Detailers, that one. And he does a really good job. And the main thing is, he's very passionate about bikes and all. This is the first time I'm meeting him. I went to other dealers, but I have to admit, he is like very passionate. No one spoke about any bikes or cars or the importance about bikes. But this guy, from the time I came here, he's been talking about all the bikes, and I can understand that passion. So Anthony, can you tell me something about what you do here?
Yeah, we do ceramic coating over here. It will help your bike from minor scratches, color dullness, water repellent. It's fireproof also. Very, very easy to maintain.
And one more thing, guys, he owns a very unique bike. He owns a CBR Fireblade. There are like 3 in India, right?
Yes, pan India only 3 and only complete 1 south in India.
Yeah, in South India there's only one, and that is Anthony ka bike. I'll just show you that bike. Look at this bike, man. This is one bloody unique bike. I've never seen this bike. It's a bloody monster, man. Seriously. And as you can see, it's Fireblade, the one and only in South. And I've ridden it. It is. I don't have words for this. It's like super bloody raw.
In first gear, it will reach to more than 200 plus.
That's like, this is scary, man. It's scary. Check out the exhaust system. This huge.
Because of these stickers, water drops now, so hard water marks will come.
Yeah.
Some people will say no. I know them very well.
Okay, now you can see it's all they're rubbed it properly with polish, and it looks nice and shiny right now. But he's gonna put this. This is the ceramic, is it?
Ceramic.
That is a ceramic coat. So Anthony, what is the process that you do? First you put the ceramic coat,
Yeah.
and then you
We have to
just
do the buffing.
okay.
What will be the residue, the color will absorb, and
Okay.
the rest amount it will throw out.
Okay.
So the residue we see, the white patches come. So
Okay.
we have to buff that out.
Okay.
Touch here, it started getting dry, and you can see the silky part and the glossy part. You can touch it.
Okay. Yeah, that's like very smooth.
We are doing the glasses also.
Okay.
Here we use glasses.
So usually how many coats do you put?
Depending on the customer, starting from first layer, second layer, third layer, depending on the customer's billing.
Okay.
How many layers he wants, we
Okay.
can do till 9, 12 layers also, depending on the customer, what he wants.
Okay. The more the layers, the more the life.
More the protection you will get.
Okay. Now that's the coat going on the Park Busters. Even the wheels are getting the coat. Actually, getting the coat on the alloys is very important. That's what I feel, because most of the dirt and stones and all that sit on the alloys. So it is better to get the alloys also coated with ceramic. Okay, so finally we are done with the ceramic coating. As you can see, it is nice and glossy right now. I just hope it stays this way. But one thing, guys, it's not that it is like bloody scratch resistant. It will get scratches if you're like using a key and scratching it, but minor scratches, like if your cuff button or something hits it, that is the kind of stuff it takes care of. You can see this nice mirror finish you got, and there were a little bit of scratches which they used the rubbing polish and removed it completely. Alright, so we're done here now, and let's leave. The time is also around 6, I think 6 o'clock, yeah. So we'll have a P car now. But luckily it's the Tiger, so I think we'll not have much of a problem maneuvering it. Jayenge? Yeah, obviously. Yeah. Chalo. Okay, see you. Bye. The main thing is because we just got the ceramic, it is recommended that you don't put water on it for at least 48 hours. But as of now, I don't think it's gonna rain. Looks clear. Finally came back home, guys. This happens all the time. Whenever I plan for just 2 hours to go out, finish my work and come, it never happens. I'll meet someone, I'll meet some of my friends, and definitely it will be night. Now the time is 8 p.m. in the evening, and night. I think 8 p.m. is night, right? So now I can't show you the bike properly. Maybe you got an idea when I showed it before, but you have to see it in daylight, proper sunshine. So just hang on. Tomorrow morning I'll just show you that, and man, I'm sure it looks like flashy and glassy tomorrow, so just wait. Thank you Gorgeous Car Detailers for getting me this ceramic coating done, and it really looks amazing. And if anyone of you are watching this from Hyderabad, or in case you're traveling from any other state to Hyderabad and you want to get your car or your bike polished with ceramic coating, then definitely I will put a link down below to their web page or Facebook page, Instagram page, and all that handles. You can go and click them and you can contact them and get the job done. How about that? And by the way, one more very important thing, guys. Please do not ask me how much does it cost for so many coats, how much does it cost for getting a KTM done, or any other bike or car done. I really don't have any idea. The thing is, it depends from car to car or from bike to bike. The best way to know how much it costs for you is to contact these people. I'll share the number down below. You can call him and you can talk to him. He will give you the best suggestion possible. Having said that, now I'll take a leave and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, take care, have fun, and please, my wife is calling me. Coming. Kana time ho gaya. Achha guys, so last night it got like really dark, and it doesn't make sense to show you in the night, right? Now it's morning and there's like ample light. I'll just show you how it looks. It looks mirrory. I think I'll put it out here in the sun and show you. You'll go mad, just wait. The only thing I had to be cautious about yesterday while getting the bike home was water shouldn't be falling. And by the way, sorry about that cracker sound. Aaj Diwali hai, so happy Diwali by the way, guys. Now check out these sparkles. Now it just doesn't look like mirror finish, but it feels like mirror. I mean, it's literally like silk. I'm just loving this, man. And doesn't the beak look better now? I know. In the previous vlog, people were saying that it looks like a crow or a murgi. I know that is funny, but actually, in reality, it looks much better. Look at it. The main reason it looked like that is because actually the angle was wrong.